In this video, I want to share with you some dentist products and designs that you could sell on Etsy using print on demand. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now before I share with you those dental designs and products for print on demand, I just want to do a quick sales update for Etsy. So we're about halfway through the month of February and I'm sitting at $1,600 in revenue. I'm up 14% for last year. Conversion rate is up almost 40%, which I was kind of surprised to see. Orders are up only 2% and views I think are down. So overall, as long as I'm doing more revenue than last month, I'm pretty happy. If you want to follow me on Instagram where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of this video. So the reason that I'm making this video is because next month is National Dentist Day. And next month is also Dental Assistant Recognition Week. And the reason I got the idea for this video is because someone bought 3 Dental Assistants t-shirts from me like last week. So I thought I would kind of show you guys some good niches, some designs, and some print-on-demand products that you can use to sell on Etsy. If we go to eRank, we're going to see for dentist shirt. That's the first product that I have for you. The keyword stats are actually pretty good. So we have green for competition, which I like, and basically there's no red. Now the searches aren't the best, but as we get closer to March, those are going to spike up. And if we look at some of these keywords right here, like this one right here, dentist gift, it's green, 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 almost all the way across, and there's no red, which is good to see. And then also right here, we're going to see these two, funny dentist shirt and future dentist shirt, are both low in competition. So I would add like funny and future into my tags, and also comfort colors also looks like another low competition keyword for this niche. But if we go to Etsy and we just type in dentist shirt, we're not able to see the results anymore. I just noticed this like last week where Etsy stopped showing this. Like usually they would show how many results there are, but if we go back to eRank, we can see according to eRank there is 14,000. Now if you were to do personalized shirts like I'm going to recommend to you, there's going to be even less competition. But when we use Everbee to take a look at some of the best sellers in this niche, we can see right here like this one. It actually is in demand. It has 13 people have bought this in the past 24 hours, which for me is really good. And when we take a look at the actual stats for this listing right here, we're going to see that it has been selling very well. So in 23 months, it's sold 1,363 times, and according to Everbee, it's selling 56 times a month. And when we look at the design, the reason why I think it is selling so well is because, you know, it is personalized. So you can write your name in right here, like Allison, Carrie, your name, and right here, this is where you'll see the personalization. And when we take a look at another one, we're going to also see that this is also another personalized one with the tooth and the name. And it's not doing as well as the one I just showed you. But when we use Everbee to take a look at this listing right here, we're going to see 622 sales in the past 24 months, and it's selling, 622 sales in 24 months. Yeah, no, I just say right. And 25 sales each month. So it looks like these personalized dentist shirts are selling very well. Now, us as Etsy sellers, basically, you know, we don't want to just copy this. You know, it's never a good idea just to copy. So we want to use our own creativity to make something similar or even better, a better design. We basically want to emulate it. So how can we do something similar like this that is still good? One of the ways that I like to get ideas is just by going to Amazon and just see what is selling with the word dentist. I actually typed this keyword into Merch Informer. You guys see me using this website a lot. And it's going to pull up all the merch shirts on Amazon. And so I'm just going to come in here and I'm just seeing if I find any like ideas. Just give me like some inspiration. And one thing that I kind of noticed when I looked at this design right here, proud mom of a future dentist, like maybe you could do something like this where you have the pulse, you have the tooth, and then underneath here you would put the person's name. I've seen over the years that the pulse design sells very well, so you can do like a pulse, like I said, with the tooth, and then you can customize it with the person's name. So that could be one idea right there. And then another one could be this boho rainbow right here. So we also know that the boho rainbow sells very well, but instead of having a heart, you could put a tooth, and instead of this text right here, the person could type in their name. So that could be another idea right there. And I think I had one more kind of idea, or maybe it was on the next page. Yeah, I think it was on the next page. Oh no, it was right here. So yeah, so maybe you can make a definition. Again, that's another very popular design style, the definition. So maybe you could have like the person's name, and right here you would have a funny or cute definition. And we know that this style of t-shirts, the definition, sells very well. So those are 3 ideas right there where you can make something similar, where you're not doing just a straight up copy like this, and you can hopefully get similar results. Another option, or another idea that I like, or yeah, another option I like to use is basically using Creative Fabrica. This is where I get a lot of my clip art and my designs. But just one thing that caught my eye right here was this design right here. So if you take 2 holidays and you cross niche them together, you know, that's another really good idea as well. I remember last month I was seeing people were cross niching Valentine's Day with 100 days of school, and some of those designs were doing really well. And right here we can see this is kind of the same idea. They're taking St. Patrick's Day, which is next month, and they're cross niching it with dentist, which is also going to be celebrated next month as well. So that is the first you know, dentist design and dentist product that I have for you for Etsy. And then the second product that I have for you to design for in the dentist niche is going to be dentist tumbler. If we go to eRank, we're going to see that there's actually only 1,600 results, so very low in competition. And when we use Everbee to take a look at some of these best sellers right here, like this one, it's actually in 20 carts. And when we analyze the listing, we're going to see this one has some pretty insane stats. So in 6 months, it sold 447 times, 73 sales estimated a month. And this next one right here is also another tumbler. Stats aren't as good, but still very pretty high. So right here in 46 months, 600 sales, and I can definitely see someone buying this. That's a dentist that's going to work, and they want to have their coffee or tea tumbler in the morning, and they can get their name engraved on it. If you use Printful, that's who I like to use, or even Printify, you can find tumblers that you could sell. An idea to design something similar like this, so you don't just do like a straight up copy, even though it would be pretty hard to copy that. If you go to Creative Fabrica, I found these like dentist patterns right here. You know, maybe that could work right there. But that is the second product that I have for you. It's going to be tumblers in the dentist niche. And then the third product idea that I have for you for the dentist niche is going to be dentist sweatshirts. One of the reasons why I love selling sweatshirts so much on Etsy is because the profit margin is actually so good. You can make anywhere from like 15 to 20 bucks per sweatshirt, just depending on your pricing. If we go to eRank to take a look at the competition, according to eRank, dentist sweatshirt, that keyword is coming in at a competition of 5,239 in the green, so that looks good. And here are some of the best sellers in this niche. So this one right here, it actually has the bestseller tag. You can see it's the teeth from the mouth. Pretty cool design. When we take a look at Everbee, if you want to sign up for Everbee, I do have an affiliate link in my description. I highly recommend it. It's going to give you all this really good information on what is selling. So you can make similar or better designs. But this one right here, it sold 960 times in 25 months, doing an estimated monthly revenue of almost $2,000 and 36 sales a month, which is really good. And then this one right here, Smile. These are very simple designs. I'm sure you can come up with something creative, make something similar, maybe add in some personalization. This one is in 20 carts. It also has the bestseller tag. And when we analyze this listing, we're going to see that the stats for this listing are 458 sales in 11 months and doing 39 sales a month. Okay, so that is the third product that I have for you, and it is dentist sweatshirt. But I wanted to get some Etsy content up on my channel and share with you guys a niche that is going to be selling next month, which is, you know, dentist products, dental assistant, because I got those 3 sales. So I thought I'd make a video sharing with you guys how you can make some money on Etsy. That's going to be it for today's video. If you like this kind of content, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.